So what's up, Bertrand Techman coming back at you with another video. Now in a previous video, probably one of my most popular videos, I talked about the AutoZone Duralast 800 and how it was my go-to jump starter. Well, in this video, we're going to look at Michigan's XR1 power source. Let's check it out. You have a radio, you have a air compressor, you have dual AC outlets to charge devices, you also have DC outlet to charge devices, and you have a USB Type-C outlet to charge. It can be used as a Bluetooth speaker. So let's talk about the build quality of said device. First of all, you'll notice that this device is made out of rubber on the top with a very nice handle. It has plastic all on the sides, and then you got the rubber on the bottom as well. On the front you have your antenna for your radio, and it is expandable. You have two speakers, left and right speakers. You have a LCD display. You have your power panel for your radio. You have your auxiliary in spot to connect another device. You also have your mic input to connect a mic to it. And then you have your Bluetooth symbol on the side. On one side you have your positive charging cable with heavy duty clamp. You have your on and off safety switch for the charger itself. On the other side you have your negative cable with clamp, and you also have your flashlight / hazard light with the adapter that comes with it. On the rear you have your inverter on and off switch. You have your 110 volt plug outlets, 1 and 2. You have your inverter light monitor. You also have your fuse. And on the bottom you have your on and off switch for your DC / USB charger. You have your slot for your USB Type A inputs. You have your LED indicator, and you have your 12 volt DC socket plug. On the other side you have your 260 PSI air gauge. You have your light switch to turn on your light or hazard flashers. Next to it you have your air compressor switch to turn on the air compressor. Next to it you have your indicator for your charging. This is where you would connect your power cable to actually charge the device. It takes approximately 15 hours to charge. And next to it you have your battery checker. Push this and it gives you an indication of how much battery you have left, ranging from red to yellow to green. Red being recharged, yellow weak, and green is good to go. And you also, below it, you have another storage compartment that houses your air hose and your adapters for inflatables. If you want to use the inverter, the first thing you want to do is take the device that you want to use, take the cover off, plug it in like so, then simply turn the inverter on. You'll notice that an indicator light, and you also see power going to the device that you want to use. Now, if you have any problems with the inverter not working, just check the fuse, and sometimes you may have to change the fuse because you burned it out. To stop using, simply turn it off and disconnect your device. If you want to use the USB Type A plug to charge one of your devices, take the dust cover off, take your device, plug it in, turn it on, you'll see the power indicator, and you should see the charge on your device. To stop using it, turn it off, disconnect, put it back. If you want to use the DC 12 volt adapter, disconnect it, take your device, plug it in, turn the power on, you'll see your connection, you have power. Again, to turn it off, disconnect. To charge your device, take your power cable from the back, your adapter, remove the dust cover, take your plug and plug it in, and then take this and put it into your outlet. You'll see a light indicator comes on. It will take approximately 15 hours to charge from a totally dead charge. If you plug it in to charge it, you can't leave it on. It will automatically stop charging when it reaches its proper charging level. Okay, to set it up, what you want to do is you want to take your positive cable, you want to connect it to the positive terminal on your battery. You want to take your negative cable, and you don't want to connect it to the battery post. You want to connect it to, they recommend that you connect it to a metal part on the car. There's a metal part on the car. Next thing you want to do is you want to take this, you want to turn this on, then you want to go inside your car and start it. Now you want to go outside your car and disconnect it. To use the air compressor, take your hose out of your compartment, take this, put it on there, get you a nice tight fit, then simply take your air compressor, turn it on. You're going to see it's going to raise up here, and you'll know that you got it charged. What are my final thoughts? If you are in the market for a powerful tool that no doubt you will use from time to time, there's going to be a time when you're going to need to jumpstart your car or your friend's car. There's going to be a time when you need to charge your batteries. There's going to be a time when you're going to need to inflate some balls. There's going to be a time when you're going to need all of these different things that this thing can provide. And if you want to even listen to a radio or use it as a Bluetooth speaker, then this is the device. Now, a link will be in the description below. Now, if you found value in this video, help a tech brother out. Give me a like, subscribe, ring that bell to get my next video when it comes out. Share and comment. In the comment section, let me know what type of device do you use as an emergency jump starter for your car. I really would like to know. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.